Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If y'all are new here, my name's Alicia, and in today's video, we're going to be making sausage gravy. So sausage gravy is more about looks than measurements. So you start out by browning your sausage, and then you're going to slowly add flour until all of the grease is like soaked up by the flour. And the sausage bits are kind of covered in the greasy flour mixture. And then once you've got the right consistency, you're going to slowly start adding in milk. And you can use all milk if you want to. I don't like to do that because it uses a lot of milk, I feel. And you want to do this part slowly, because if you just dump a whole lot in, like a whole pan full of milk or milk and water, then it's going to get rather clumpy, and it's also not going to thicken in the best way. I don't know how to explain it. Just if you want, you can try it out yourself and you'll see what I'm talking about, but that's not the way I like to do it. So then I just add in water until it looks way too thin. You boil it until it's your desired thickness, and here's the result. Jesus loves y'all, and I love y'all too. I hope y'all have an awesome day. Bye.